Good morning, children. Now that we have finished our first chapter in chemistry, let us go for the physics. Here we'll start with our new chapter, but before that, just think of, suppose in this lockdown your school reopens. How you'll feel? Very happy, na? Since long you have not gone to your school, you have not met your friends, and you have not seen the school, your books, desk benches and other things. So you'll be very happy to meet your friends, you'll be very happy to meet your teachers and study in class. Mohan was also very happy. Mohan, he suddenly came to know that school has reopened and he started from his home. Here, suppose this is A and it is his home. He has started from his home and he started walking and reached to his school. Now, what did he do? What do you observe? He has started from home, it is his house, and he has reached his school. What has happened here? He has reached the school, he has covered some distance. So here a term, movement, has taken place. Movement, that is motion. Here we are going to study the next chapter, which is motion. Suppose I start from here, move here. So I am in motion. I have come back to my place. I was in motion. But now what happened? This boy has started from here. He has moved this much distance and then reached his school. How did you come to know that he is moved or motion has taken place? How do you come to know? Because what happened? He was first staying here. Now his position has changed. Originally his position was at his home. Now his position has changed to the school. Change in position is seen. Since change in position is there, hence we come to know that the boy has moved or he was in motion. Now, what is motion? Motion. A body is said to be in motion when there is change in position with respect to a reference point. Okay, I write the definition of motion here. What is motion? A body is said to be in motion when the position changes, position of the body changes with respect to the reference point. With respect to the reference point. In the previous example, what we saw here, it was Mohan's house and this was school. So, what was the reference point? Initial position where he was at home. So, this is the reference point from where he started. Now, the reference, what is reference points? Reference point is the position or the location which is used to describe the position. The reference point is used to describe the position and it is called as origin. What is origin? A reference point is also called as origin. Reference point which describes the position. Another term, reference point which describes the position is called origin. Position of the body. That's the position of the body is called Origin. Okay. Now, can you give me some example of objects which are in motion, naturally in motion? Earth. It is in motion. If it was not in motion, you cannot see day and night. The formation of day and night, change in season, weather, particularly season, is just because of rotation and revolution. That is motion about the earth. Then comes your moving car along a road. This is also an example of motion. A child walking from school, from home to school. This is an example of motion. Riding bicycle along a straight road. This is the circular motion of the fan. The fan moving. That is also motion. So these are the various examples of motion. Now let us see different types of motion. Types of motion. First is rectilinear motion. Second, circular motion. Third, vibratory motion. Fourth, periodic motion. And more we will see later. What is rectilinear motion? Rectilinear motion is the motion in which an object moves along a straight path. When an object moves along a straight path, the motion is called as rectilinear motion. Circular motion, when an object moves along a circular path, it is circular motion. Vibratory motion. What is vibratory motion? You have seen the pendulum of the clock. This way, moving to and fro. Here and then here, back and forth. So this is vibratory motion. To and fro motion. To and fro motion is called as vibratory motion. Then what is periodic motion? Periodic motion, it is motion which takes place after a fixed interval of time. Like rotation, after 24 hours again you will have day. So always day and night, it takes 24 hours. Then this is periodic motion. It's not that fixed. If it is not fixed, the time interval of this motion is fixed. There is change in position which takes place in a fixed time. So that is the change in motion, the motion which takes place in a fixed interval of time. That is periodic motion. So these are the various different types of motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion, vibratory motion, periodic motion. Example of rectilinear motion: an object moving along a straight path, car traveling along a straight path. That is circular motion, the planets moving round the sun, or the circular motion of the fan. Vibratory motion, motion of a pendulum. So these are periodic motion, motion of earth, that is rotation, revolution, that is your periodic motion. So these are the various types of motion. Further about motion we will see in the next class.